4K friends. Today we are going to play a game. Our game is called Sound Detective. Will you help me be a sound detective? Sound detectives hear a sound and then they have to try to guess what it is. Let's see if you're a good listener like sound detectives are. Here comes our first sound. What was that noise? Wow, you are a great sound detective. It was a cow. What's this sound? It was a train. Did you guess a clock? That's right. What was that noise? It was the water turned on in the sink. What could that noise be? You're a great sound detective. It was somebody playing the piano. That was the noise of a door opening and closing. Did you guess right? It was a duck quacking. Did you guess that it was a dog barking? You got it. What will be our next one? You are so smart. It was Bubbles. What could that noise be? It's a chicken. Did you guess rain? You were right. Can you get this one? It's someone walking through the snow. Wow, I have some awesome sound detectives, don't I? You guessed all the sounds. You know, sounds like that happen all the time. We just have to have our listening ears out to hear them. Now it's your turn. You get to be the teacher. Your job is to find something. or listen closely for something that makes a noise. You are going to tap the microphone button and record it. And then I have to be a sound detective and guess what the sound is. I can't wait to see what you find. It's so fun to play Sound Detective, and we'll play it more once we're in our classroom. Thanks for playing with me today. I'll see you later. Bye.